Okay, I want to get into some fifth grade math concepts. A big fifth grade math concept is prime numbers and composite numbers, okay? Prime numbers are numbers that only have two factors, itself and 1. Now, you might say, well, what's that word factors? Let's talk about that. If I give you a problem like this, 7 times 8 equals 56, well, 7 and 8 are my factors. They're numbers that I multiply by each other to get an answer. My answer to a multiplication problem could be called a multiple, or it could also be called a product. So those are factors, numbers that I multiply to get an answer. So now let's get into prime numbers. They only have two factors. So for instance, 2 is a prime number. The only way to get 2 is 2 times 1. It has two factors. The number 3 is prime. The only way to get 3 is 3 times 1. 5 is a prime number. The only way to get 5 is 5 times 1. So these are prime numbers, okay? Then we also have something called composite numbers. Well, composite numbers have more than two factors. So for instance, the number 4 is composite because I can multiply 4 times 1 to get 4, but wait, there's another way. 2 times 2. Let's give another composite. One of my favorite composite numbers is the number 24. Let's talk about that. Well, you can do 24 times 1. You can also do 2 times 12. You can also do 3 times 8. And then there's also 4 times 6. So these are composite numbers because they have more than two factors. These are prime numbers because they only have two factors.